My name is Robert Bagiński and I'm the President of European Operations for Wood-Mizer, located in Poland. I have worked for Wood-Mizer for almost 25 years and it has been a pleasure and privilege for me to watch year by year the growth of the factory, the Wood-Mizer family, and to be able to see the impact our products have on our customers' lives. Our engineering team has developed many products which we successfully sell in more than 100 countries. Our products can be found in many workplaces, from small businesses to large industrial operations. In 2017, the Wood-Mizer Holdings Board of Directors decided to purchase the intellectual property for woodworking products such as moulders, planers and table saws from the Swedish manufacturer Moulders. Moulders has been in the global market for over 25 years, successfully selling thousands of units from a wide range of products. Almost 3 years after the acquisition in Sweden, the Board of Directors took a decision to move the production of these products to the Wood-Mizer facilities in Poland and in the United States. This decision ensures that we are able to say confidently, Wood-Mizer, from forest to final form.
My name is Radek Adamkiewicz. I've been working for Wood-Mizer Industries company for 20 years. I'm the product manager of Moulder Planers machinery. At the moment, we are at the European Wood-Mizer headquarters factory in Koło, Poland. Moulders and planers machinery have been manufactured here since the start of 2020. Our production site has a global reputation in making top-quality sawmills and wood processing machines. That's why we decided to use this valuable experience and started to build the line of Moulder planers right here in our hometown, Koło in Poland.
Hello, my name is Adam Bugała. I've been with Wood-Mizer for 3 years. I'm responsible for technical customer service of moulders, planners, woodworking machinery. I'm glad I can assist you in understanding some technical basic facts in our MP products. Thanks to our machines, you can shape your ideas into final wood products. Each cutter head has easy replaceable knives accessible from Wood-Mizer Tools catalog. The feed tables are made of cast iron, which guarantees durability, stability and comfort of work. All control functions are accessible from a convenient operator unit. Our woodworking machines are accompanied by a rich offer of cutting accessories Wood-Mizer tools.
All Moulder planers machines are sold with a 2-year warranty. Wood-Mizer guarantees the best quality at an affordable price.